Raise your hand if you've ever spent hours staring at the ceiling, counting sheep, or scrolling through your phone at 2 a.m. You're not alone. 1 in 3 adults struggle with poor sleep. But before you reach for another sleeping pill, let's explore herbal remedies that have been helping people unwind for thousands of years. From ancient Egyptians sipping chamomile tea to medieval Europeans brewing Valerian Root, herbs have been humanity's original sleep aids. Today, modern research is validating these age-old practices. These plants don't just relax you, they interact with your brain chemistry, stress hormones, and nervous system in ways that can genuinely improve sleep quality. No hype, no side effects, just nature's toolbox. Let's break down the top herbs and how to use them right. Let's face it, modern life is a sleep thief. Between work deadlines, screen time, and the endless buzz of notifications, our brains struggle to shut off. Insomnia affects nearly a third of adults globally, and the consequences go beyond tiredness. Poor sleep weakens your immune system, tanks focus, and over time, even raises risks for heart disease and diabetes. Many turn to sleeping pills, but they often come with next-day grogginess or dependency risks. The good news? Herbal remedies offer a gentler, sustainable path. They work with your body, not against it, to help you unwind naturally. Let's start with chamomile, the daisy-like flower your grandma probably swore by. A 2016 study in the Journal of Clinical Psychopharmacology found that chamomile tea reduced anxiety and improved sleep quality in adults with chronic insomnia. The secret? A compound called apigenin that binds to calming receptors in your brain. Pro tip, steep 2 teaspoons of dried flowers for 10 minutes and sip it 30 minutes before bed. It's like a warm hug for your nervous system. Next up, valerian root, often called nature's Valium. Research in phytotherapy research showed that taking 300 to 600 milligrams of valerian root an hour before bed helped people fall asleep 15 minutes faster. How? Valerianic acid boosts GABA, a neurotransmitter that puts the brakes on a racing mind. Just avoid pairing it with alcohol, it's strong enough on its own. Then there's Passionflower, a tropical vine that's a ninja against stress hormones. A 2011 trial in the Journal of Clinical Pharmacy and Therapeutics compared Passionflower to the prescription drug oxazepam and found it just as effective for anxiety-related insomnia, but without the grogginess. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried leaves in hot water for a floral, slightly earthy tea. Finally, lavender. The scent alone is a game changer. A 2015 study in complementary therapies in medicine found that lavender oil aromatherapy improved sleep quality in people with chronic sleep issues. Add 5 drops to a diffuser or mix it with coconut oil for a calming bedtime massage. Bonus, it's been shown to lower heart rate and blood pressure. Science says, breathe deep. Here's what's fascinating. These herbs aren't just folk remedies. They're backed by centuries of use and modern science. Clinical trials show that passionflower, for example, can significantly reduce nighttime awakenings in people with anxiety-related insomnia. Valerian root has been shown to improve sleep quality with regular use. And lavender? Research confirms its scent can lower heart rate and cortisol levels, priming your body for rest. What ties these herbs together is their ability to address the root causes of sleeplessness, stress, overactive minds, and hormonal imbalances, rather than just masking symptoms. When you combine their gentle power with consistency, the results speak for themselves. As one study participant put it, "It's like my body remembered how to sleep again." So, there you have it. Chamomile quiets anxiety, valerian speeds up sleep onset, passionflower tames stress hormones, and lavender soothes your senses. These aren't quick fixes, but they're safe, research-backed tools to rebuild your sleep foundation. And the best part? You don't need a prescription, just a trip to your local herb shop or tea aisle. Now, over to you. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite herbal sleep hack? Have you tried lavender oil or valerian tea? Thanks for watching. I hope you found this content helpful. If you liked the video, I'd really appreciate it if you took a second and gave it a thumbs up. Interested in more science-backed, down-to-earth wellness gems? Then you'll want to subscribe and hit the bell. Don't forget to check out the next video we've lined up for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Join us as we make science simple, one herbal hack at a time.